And we've got some big breaking news coming in here on 5 Live. China's coronavirus cases may actually be four times the official figure. This is not us saying it. This is Hong Kong University's School of Public Health, which has had a study published in the world's most respected medical journal, The Lancet. According to research by academics at Hong Kong University School of Public Health published in The Lancet, the true number of COVID-19 cases in China has been obfuscated and hidden by the Xi Jinping dispensation, and that the real number could be as much as 4 times as high as the official figures released by China so far. Mainland China has reported more than 55,000 cases as of the 20th of February. China has now reported more than 83,000 cases. China's National Health Commission issued 7 different versions of a case definition for COVID-19 between the 15th of January and the 3rd of March. And this brand new study published in The Lancet says China could be underreporting its COVID-19 cases, and that the real figure could be 4 times the official figure. Incredible piece of breaking news that we're bringing to you first here on India Today. India Today's Gaurav Sawant, who's been tracking the story, joins me live. Gaurav, a research study not by some small fry university, but Hong Kong University School of Public Health, in a study published in The Lancet, which is the world's most respected medical journal, making this dramatic and terrifying claim that China has hidden these very crucial data from the world, and that the real coronavirus extent in China could be 4 times as much as what it has told the world.
Shiv, this is one more example of the world telling China to come clean. Remember, it's not just the US President Donald Trump, it's not just US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo, it's not just France or UK who want China to come clean. This is a medical journal, and something as respected as The Lancet. They've published a report and they say that China repeatedly changed the goalposts 7 times between January and February. China changed the goalposts, its definition of what the symptoms were, and had the ultimate definition of symptoms, which was clarified in the month of February. Had that been taken initially, the cases could have been many times more, according to this journal. So 1, China appears to be underreporting. 2, China is still not coming clean. 1, with the number of people who've been infected, the number of people who are dead, and 3, on the road ahead in terms of treatment and the source of coronavirus.
Okay, incredible. I mean, this is absolutely incredible. I can imagine if the allegation is that China has underreported cases by 5 to 10%, but to underreport it by 4 times the official figure is what this Hong Kong University study says the official figure might actually be, or the real figure might actually be, is truly startling, and it is a very ominous sign for the entire world. Gaurav, thank you very much for joining me on that big breaking story.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.